Google Colab, how to read data from my Google Drive? The problem is simple. I have some data on G Drive, for example at /project/my_project/my_data. Also I have a simple notebook in Colab. So, I would like to do something like. Unfortunately, all examples, like this URL, for example, suggests to only mainly load all necessary data to notebook. But, if I have a lot of pieces of data, it can be quite complicated. Is there any opportunities to solve this issue? Thanks for help.
Good news! PyDrive has first-class support on Colab. PyDrive is a wrapper for the Google Drive Python client. Here is an example on how you would download all files from a folder, similar to using Glog+. Notice that the arguments to drive.list file is a dictionary that coincides with the parameters used by Google Drive HTTP API. You can customize the queue parameter to be tuned to your use case. Know that in all cases, files/folders are encoded by IDs, P168M4X5 on Google Drive. This requires that you search Google Drive for the specific ID corresponding to the folder you want to route your search in. For example, navigate to the folder /project/my_project/my_data that is located in your Google Drive. See that it contains some files, in which we want to download to Colab. To get the ID of the folder in order to use it by PyDrive, look at the URL and extract the ID parameter. In this case, the URL corresponding to the folder was, where the ID is the last piece of the URL, 168M4X5.
Edit. As of February 2020, there's now a first-class UI for automatically mounting Drive. First, open the file browser on the left-hand side. It will show a Mount Drive button. Once clicked, you'll see a permissions prompt to mount Drive, and afterwards your Drive files will be present with no setup when you return to the notebook. The completed flow looks like so. The original answer follows, below. This will also still work for shared notebooks. You can mount your Google Drive files by running the following code snippet. Then, you can interact with your Drive files in the file browser side panel or using command line utilities. Here's an example notebook.
What I have done is first. Then. After I can for example read CSV files with. If you have different locations for the files, just add the correct path after my drive.
Thanks for the great answers. Fastest way to get a few one-off files to Colab from Google Drive: load the Drive helper and mount. This will prompt for authorization. Open the link in a new tab. You will get a code. Copy that back into the prompt. You now have access to Google Drive. Check. Then copy files as needed. Confirm that files were copied.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.